Hello everyone, and welcome to the How to Draw and Paint channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a monster. First, we start out by drawing these curves for the fur of the head. Next, we can do the same thing, but for the body. Make sure to leave a little bit of room on both sides for the arms. Now we can add the arms and hands. Next, draw two bubbly lines for the outside of the legs. And now we can draw some feet. Next, we can draw a small circle inside of the head for a nose. And two more for some eyes. Let's draw one more circle right here. Now we can add some fur over the hands. Next, let's draw the mouth. Now we can draw these curves for the tongue. Next, let's draw some D shapes for the teeth. Okay, now we can draw this N shape for the hat. Let's draw two lines for the string on the hat. Now add a little circle and some small tassels. Let's not forget the fur over the feet. And now let's add this curved line for the lip. Next, we can draw some curved lines for the cheeks and eyebrows. Next, let's draw some curved lines for the fur on the body. Now we can draw small circles inside the eyes. Next, draw another small circle inside of the nose. And finally, the fun part. Let's add some color! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.